Namaste everyone. My name is Yoshita and today's video is about the alignments of Trikona Asana. Trikona Asana is also known as the triangle pose, which is specially made to stretch and strengthen your side muscles and your hamstrings as well. So let's understand the alignment of Trikonasana. We're going to start in a standing position and sliding the legs 1 and then 2. So 3 feet a gap in between both of your legs. Then you have to check that both the leg heel should be in line. So heel to heel alignment is very important. Then slowly you will be turning your front leg out 90 degree towards your side. You can either start with the right leg or with the left leg, completely your choice. Then slowly you have to open your hands and stretching your torso side, like you want to grab the sides as much as possible and open the shoulders. Make sure that you're not squeezing the shoulders in, and you have to rotate them as out as you can. Then slowly you have to stretch your torso to the front leg and stay, and then gently bend the front knee. Then you have to place your front palm towards the front leg and slowly have to let it go down naturally as much as it is going down. Now, if possible, place your front hand in front of the left heel and slowly try to straighten the both of your legs. Then you have to check, is my other hand also 90 degree? Good. Now one important thing, do not try to lean forward like this. So you have to stretch your chest back and pushing your pelvis forward. Now try to lengthen your spine as much as you can and look to the upper hand. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your front knee and then slowly and gently coming back to the center. Now we'll do the other side also. Stretch your leg out. Again, stretch your torso to the side. Gently bend your front knee. Drop your palm down and let it go naturally as much as it goes. Otherwise, if you feel too much difficulty in holding the balance, you can always place your palms in front of your ankle. Then slowly straight the front knee. Open your both the hands 90 degree. Chest also open and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I want to tell you one modification. If you feel pain just under your knee joint, you can always slightly bend it and then keep maintaining the upper body position. Then once you are done, slowly bend your knee and then come back to the center and slowly relax. Now, if you cannot do the Trikonasana or you find difficulty in holding the pose, you can do these two postures, which are the best preparatory pose for your Trikonasana. So for the first one, you have to maintain your legs shoulder width apart, then slowly raise your right hand up and exhale, side stretch towards your left side and look up to the ceiling. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Now we'll switch the side. So left hand up and then exhale. Slowly go down and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back to the center. This one was for your sides, and now for the hamstring. You need to open your legs slightly wider, close your pelvis, raise your hands up and exhale, go down to the pyramid pose. Slowly have to bend forward and stay for 5, as much as you can, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, raise your hands up and then switch your sides and then exhale, slowly closing your pelvis, bend forward and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then gently raise your arms up and come back to the center. So this is it for the Trikonasana. Make sure that you practice the right alignments with the safety measures and always know the benefits coming from that pose. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.